Dear students, today I am going to read this worksheet, worksheet 11 for class 7th. The chapter is corruption. This one the heading of this chapter. In paragraph 1, whenever it comes to point out someone for the lack of progress, honesty and liability in a country, people at once point finger at politicians. First of all, whenever it comes to point out someone for the lack of progress, honesty, liability in a country, people at once point finger at politicians. We just say that the corrupt practices by politicians have eaten into the vital of our nations. Is it really sensible and appropriate to pass the buck of politicians for everything? Isn't the politicians one of like us? I mean, politics is also one of the activities mean to help a country move forward. This one the nice line, and when you have to write anything about politics, so it will help. This line will be help you forever. I mean, politics is also one of the activities meant to help a country move forward. In second paragraph, we will say, in order to keep the health and strength of citizens of a nation, there is need of grain, milk, fruits and vegetables. But the shocking fact is that today the consumptions of all these things is leading to deadly disease like diabetes and cancer. It is so because in order to increase the yield of all these things, the farmer is using chemicals, fertilizers and pesticides. Here the farmer is using chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Means politicians as well as farmers both are responsible for corruption. These fertilizers and pesticides are making grains, vegetables and fruits harmful to the consumer. Adulterations of milk is also very common in many countries. Today, the milk doesn't mix water only, but also many synthetic material to earn more and more profit. Aren't these people more corrupt than politicians? Of course, this line always remember and it focus on us. Aren't these people more corrupt than politicians? Yes, they are more corrupt than politicians because here this type of people mixed poison in our food or milk, edible things. In every edible things, this type of a people is mixed poison in our edible things. In paragraph 3, when a child becomes 3 years old, every parent feels ecstatic with the prospect of sending their wards to school. Here, the new word is ecstatic. Means you get much mm, excited about it. They think that the school will make their child mentally, physically, emotionally and socially a developed human beings. But the parents feel confused when they enter the school premises. But the parents feel confused when they enter the school premises. Why? The school asks for money and that too in heavy amounts right from buying prospectus to admission fees, monthly charges, picnic charges, charges of extracurricular activities and so on. Thereafter, the teacher teaches one chapter and assign the homework of 3 chapters with a note in the diary for the parents to help the child complete it. And if the parents express inability to do so, he suggests the parents to send the child to his home for private tuitions and demands hefty fees. Here this one also a new word, demand hefty fees. Is it only a politicians to be blamed for corruptions? See this line. Is it only a politicians be blamed for corruptions? No, not at all. We all are responsible for this corruption in our society. However, there are certain good schools and teachers also everywhere. In paragraph 4, we need many things for fulfilling our daily needs and to make these things available for us. There are so many manufacturers in the market. These manufacturers offer many alluring concessions and genuine quality products. Wherever you find any difficult words, you must have to underline them and try to find the meaning of it. Alluring concessions and genuine quality products. But when we use these products, we find the promises made by the manufacturers were fake and baseless. The product hardly stands to its price in quality in terms of efficiency and durability. When we go to the manufacturer with the warranty card, he dismisses it with the argument that it was our mishandling of the product and led to the breakage. Is it again the politicians behind these corruptions? No. Here, every businessman, every manufacturer is responsible about it. So, not to blame only the politicians. Here in every paragraph, in this paragraph, who is responsible? So, the manufacturer. In this paragraph, manufacturer is responsible. In this paragraph, teachers and school administration both are responsible about it. Teachers as well as school administrations. In this paragraph, the farmer and here directly we blamed to the politicians. So in all four paragraphs, it shows about it. Now we will try to solve related questions of this chapter. Here are some related questions. Type 1, multiple choice questions. The options you consider the correct answer. Question number 1. The people who are held responsible for corruptions are the people who are held responsible for corruptions are option A businessman, option B teachers, option C farmers and option D politicians. In my opinion, option D is the correct answer. In question number 2, the things that we need for good health and energy are grains, milk, vegetables and option A fruits, option B trees, option C clothes and option D beverage. In my opinion, after reading the paragraph you will find fruits. The things that we need for good health and energy are grains, milk, vegetables and fruits. Question number 3. Things that are making our grains, vegetables and fruit poisonous are option A sweets and bakery, option B rain and water, option C fertilizers and pesticides and option D politicians and doctors. So the correct answer is option C fertilizers and pesticides. Question number 4. Parents feel sad after admitting their child into schools if they charge large amount of fees and the teachers give option A good concept, option B unreasonable homework, option C big instructions and option D small home assignments. Here the parents are uh, biased about the system of the school and the teacher. So this option is the correct answer, unreasonable homework. And question number 5, the teacher is immoral if he teaches less and in the class and asks for option A, quick answer, option B, big answers, option C, private tuitions, and option D, remedial classes. So the private tuition is the teacher is immoral if he teaches less in the class and asks for big answer. This one the correct answer, not the private tuition. This one the reasons. Ask for big answer. In a direct way, they can't say private tuition. Okay. So for these reasons, they imposed the parents to get more and more benefit for your ward. You must have to send your ward at my home. This one is private tuition. So here the correct answer is big answer. And in question number 6, there is variety in the market of products, but only few manufacturers provide. There is variety in the market of products. Variety in the market of products, but only few manufacturers provide quality products. Here, question, listen question. Only few manufacturers. So, quality product, cheap products, double products and red color products. So this one the correct answer, and quality products. Here are all multiple choice questions is given, and you will read it thoroughly and match your answer, and wherever your answer is not matched with me, so you will discuss on doubt classes wherever I will attend your class. In table 2, table completions. The question is, complete the following flowchart with the help of appropriate words or phrases. Faces of corruption. Here, all are responsible. Faces of corruption. In the first, we will write politicians. Politicians. Next one, after politicians, it goes in second paragraph, farmers. Then third, teacher, teachers, and the last one, manufacturers. According to the paragraph, faces of corruptions, politicians, farmers, poor quality products. So this one, farmers, here manufacturers is, it is the right place here. Then farmers and teachers. Sorry, I'm going to change these places. And here it is the place of farmers. Thus, this work is completed, and you will try to you will match your answer and do it by your own level best. So each type of worksheet is given for you, and you will get the answer. This one the solutions. Thank you. Have a nice day.